Hi everyone, in this video we're taking a look at our tea starter kit. If you're interested in premium tea, make sure to subscribe to our channel for new videos like this each week. Our tea starter kit gives you everything you need to leave the tea bags behind and start drinking premium tea. Included in the box, you'll find our glass infuser cup and 3 tea samples to explore. The first tea in the box is Prerain Dragonwell, a traditional green tea from Zhejiang province. Dragonwell is China's most famous tea, and our Prerain is harvested in early April for a naturally crisp and refreshing taste. This tea is pan-roasted after harvest, giving it a naturally toasted and nutty finish as well. The next tea is our Dondi Mixiang, an oolong from Taiwan. This unique crop is actually attacked by insects before harvest, which gives the tea a smooth, sweet, and honey-like flavor. The third tea in the box is Formosa Red No. 18, a Taiwanese black tea from the hills near Sun Moon Lake. Formosa Red No. 18 is also a bug-bitten crop, and the black tea crafting method gives this crop a natural flavor like honey and dried fruit. All of these teas are naturally smooth and sweet without bitterness, so we recommend enjoying them plain. To brew, simply add the pre-dosed packet of tea to the glass infuser basket, then follow the brewing instructions on the pouch. To learn more about the world of premium tea, visit redblossomtea.com. Make sure you leave a like and comment below if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on future videos.